wheel, Ferris wheel. Hello, hello, hello. Ferris wheel, Ferris wheel. Hop on, hop on. Let's go!
Good job, Mimi.
Ferris wheel, Ferris wheel. Hello, hello, hello.
And
Ferris wheel, Ferris wheel. Hop on, let's go!
fantastic. Well done. Good job, my little geniuses. Say hello to your friends. Hello, friends. It's so nice to see you again. Oh, yes. Dice que le da gusto verlos otra vez. It's nice to see you again. Okay. Are you ready for the weather chant? Fantastic. Let's go. The weather chant. Boom, bum, 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 bum.
Sunny,
Cloudy. Good job.
rainy,
Windy.
what's the weather like today? Sunny,
Yes. Cloudy. Estiramos ahí. Qué rico. Rainy. Windy.
what's the weather? Can you say?
Ready? Let's go. Hot. Is it hot?
Is it cold? What's the weather like today?
Fantastic.
Is it hot? Is it cold? What's the weather? Can you say?
Good job. Look, Mimi. Fantastic, friends. Very well done. Okay, do you want to tell your friends what are we going to do today? Yes? Okay, grab it. Grab it. Okay, do you have it? Yes? Okay. Now row. 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 Do you want me to help you? Yes? Okay, let's go. Let's go. Row. 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 Row, row, row your boat. Yes, this is our oar. Vamos a estar andando en un boat. Junto con... with whom are we going to row? Uncle Dan, Sam, and Anna. Yes, we will go on a boat with Uncle Dan. So, get ready. Vamos con Uncle Dan.
Row, row, row your boat gently down the stream. Merrily, 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 life is but a dream.
Row, row, row your boat gently down the stream. Merrily, 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 life is but a dream. Row, row, row your boat gently down the stream. Merrily, 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 life is but a dream.
Welcome back. Welcome back. Ahora nos toca cantar y bailar a nosotros. Yes? All right. Mimi, can you wait over there, please? Thank you. Thank you, Mimi. Okay. Are you ready? Vamos a agarrar. ¿Listos? Y vamos a ir moviendo así los brazos. Así los brazos. ¿Sale? Vamos en el bote. Row, row, row your boat. Okay? Are you ready? Let's go with Uncle Dan on the boat.
Row, row, row your boat gently down the stream. Merrily, 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 life is but a dream.
Ay, perdón.
Row, row, row your boat gently down the stream. Merrily, 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 life is but a dream. Row, row, row your boat gently down the stream. Merrily, 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 life is but a dream.
Good. Fantastic. Good work. Okay. Row, row, row your boat. Now, go get your red book. Go get your red book. Go, 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 go get your red book. Open your red book to pink pages. Okay, we're looking for pink pages and we're looking for page number 72. 72, that's 7 and 2. Okay, this is what it looks like. That's what the page looks like. Okay, we have here the boat and we have the stream here. Okay, ¿qué vamos a tener que hacer? Vamos a obviamente trazar aquí el camino, ¿sí? El camino del bote, pero sin salirnos del azul, ¿eh? Todo el caminito tiene que quedar trazado dentro del azul, entonces vamos a hacerlo con cuidado. No tiene que ser lento, pero sí con cuidado para no salirnos, que quede más o menos como por el medio, ¿sale? Ok, be careful, be careful. Y luego, ya sabemos qué significan esas siluetas, esas sombritas. Significan que vamos a dibujar a quién. Eso, vamos a dibujar a mí mismo aquí andando en el boat. Ok, vamos a dibujarle nuestros ojitos y nuestro cabello y nuestro peinado y nuestra ropita andando en el boat. Ok, alright, pongan la pausa y pónganse a trabajar. Ahorita regresamos con nueva palabra para deletrear. Ok, good job, fantastic. Ahorita les va a aparecer una pantalla con la palabra plain, ¿sale? La vamos a deletrear en el cuaderno, escribir. Y vamos a practicar deletrearla aquí en el video. Acuérdense que si quieren practicar más, siempre, siempre, siempre pueden regresar al video, buscarle el momento donde estamos deletreando cualquier cosa, no solo para deletrear, también para sus palabras, sus canciones, sus frases. También acuérdense que todas las canciones, todos los videos están en su app de Navio. ¿Ok? Busquemos, por favor, hay las canciones para seguir cantando y divirtiéndonos. Hay muchos, muchos jueguitos ahí que ustedes pueden disfrutar. Pero seguimos con la palabra plain, ¿sale? Ahorita que les aparezca la pantalla con la palabra, la hojita, le van a poner pausa, van a agarrar su cuaderno, la van a escribir, luego le ponen play y seguimos deletreando. Are you ready? All right, let's go! Okay, let's spell P L A N E. Good job. Okay, muy bien, excelente, muy bien deletreado. Ya es hora de cantar nuestro bye bye song. Mimi, do you want to sing with us? Yes? Do you want to sing the bye-bye song? Oh, she's sad again. Don't worry. We'll see them in the last video this week. We still have one more video. Todavía nos falta un video más para acabar la semana. Yes! Oh, she's happy. Look, she's happy. She wants to see her friends. Okay, Let's go. See you in the next video. See you in the next video, friends. Let's go with the bye-bye song.
Ferris wheel, Ferris wheel. Bye bye, bye bye, bye bye. Ferris wheel, Ferris wheel.
Good job, and
Hop off, hop off. Bye bye. Ferris wheel, Ferris wheel. Bye bye, bye bye, bye bye. Ferris wheel, Ferris wheel.
hi, Mimi. Ready?
Hop off, hop off.